To add my tokens, we're going to come over here to marketing and smart campaigns. So we're going to come over to manage campaigns. And what we're going to do, we're going to take that code, copy it, and right here, we're going to paste the code, hit enter. You'll get this that it's going to be, doesn't take usually 15 minutes, just takes a couple minutes. Say yes. You will get an email once that comes in. And so that was my holiday. I'm going to go ahead and add in my 2025 campaign here, my monthly. And then just click yes again. So now we have both of those. Now the biggest thing for somebody to actually receive this is the trigger. They have to have the hashtag in order for that to actually move forward. So to add that, when you come over to contacts, you can basically select all. So if you're a team leader, admin, you'll need to go to just your contacts, but you can easily select all or find the people that you want to be on there. When you come over here, select all, make sure you have 250, especially if you have a lot of contacts. You're going to go to more actions and add that hashtag to everybody. So that way, everybody with that hashtag on the date, whether it be holiday or monthly, they'll actually receive those emails, but they have to have the hashtag. Now you're saying, well, gosh, that means I have to remember to add them to everybody as they come in. That is when I do a search. So I can come over here to, I believe it's under behavior. Nope, it's under contact details. What I do is come over here. Basically, somebody does not have, nope, that's the wrong one. So that would be Homefront Monthly. Let me just use that one. So basically, I can say everyone who does not have Homefront Monthly, view results. And now I would say save that as a search. And I want to pin it so that it shows up over on the side here. So save as a new filter. That way, now every month, I just come in, click on Homefront Monthly. I'm going to toggle everybody on. Make sure I'm at 250 rows. If you get more than 250 leads a month, yay for you. Come over here, and I want to add that hashtag. So that's just something I do once a month to make sure that all of my new leads get the hashtag for whether it be the holiday campaign or the monthly. So hopefully this helps. Thanks, guys.